Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Dark Opal Basil, the award-winning purple beauty that changed herb gardens forever. Did you know that Dark Opal Basil was the first purple basil variety to win the prestigious All-American Selection Awards in 1962? This groundbreaking herb proved that basil could be both a culinary star and a stunning ornamental plant, launching an entire category of colorful basils that dominate modern gardens today. Dark Opal Basil is a cultivar developed at the University of Connecticut in the 1950s. Wild basil seeds were collected from Turkey through the United States Department of Agriculture and sent to the university for research and breeding. Set out to improve existing purple basil varieties, which had inconsistent color issues, selecting a purple splotch variety from Turkey from countless samples across the globe. Dark opal basil plants have small to medium-sized leaves, averaging 3 to 7 centimeters in length, with an oval shape tapering to a distinct point. The leaves are smooth with defined veining and serrated edges, appearing in variegated hues of dark purple, burgundy, and green, with color intensifying with maturity. Plants grow 18 to 24 inches tall and 24 inches wide, with showy deep purple, nearly black leaves that are broad, smooth, and glossy. In summer, it produces elegant spikes of small, tubular, cerice flowers arranged in whorls above the foliage that attract pollinators. Dark opal basil is aromatic, bearing a spice-forward, clove-like scent, and leaves have a sweet, savory, earthy flavor with notes of anise, ginger, cinnamon, clove, and mint. Dark opal basil thrives in warm, sunny conditions and needs 8 to 12 hours of direct sunlight daily. Keep soil consistently warm. Water plants sparingly, ideally before noon, so roots have time to dry out before temperatures decrease in the evening. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart for proper air circulation. Basil is a fantastic neighbor to many herbs and vegetables with similar light and water needs, including tomatoes, parsley, chamomile, lettuce, peppers, and oregano. Grow this basil along with tomato plants as it encourages growth and repels pests of the tomato. Planting basil near tomatoes can enhance the flavor of both plants and help deter pests like mosquitoes and aphids. Avoid planting basil near rue or sage, as these herbs can inhibit basil's growth. Dark opal basil's foliage is high in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that also give its vibrant color. Harvest leaves regularly and remove flowers to concentrate the plant's energy on leaf production. The plant produces edible blooms that attract beneficial pollinators throughout the summer. Dark opal grows more slowly than green basil varieties and benefits from regular pinching of top leaves to encourage bushier side branch development. The purple pigmentation makes it an excellent natural dye candidate. When allowed to flower, leaves may become slightly bitter, so continuous harvesting maintains optimal flavor. Leaves add vibrant colors to salads, fresh tomato dishes, pestos, and herb vinegars, with flavor slightly milder than traditional green basil. Because of its high anthocyanin content, it is often used to tint vinegar a rich magenta, making it a favorite for a culinary presentation. The variety provides good sources of vitamins K and C, beta-carotene, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Best used fresh or added at the end of cooking to preserve delicate flavor. The double flavors make beautiful garnishes for cocktails, desserts, usually used for infused oils, purple pesto, or as a dramatic plating element that elevates any dish. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more. Until next time, happy growing.